stopping by. Tonight I am going to be veganizing a recipe a friend gave me, and she just wondered, could I veganize it for her? What we're going to do is we will be using these shells, vegan cream cheese, bring it up to room temperature, and some vegan yogurt. You'll need a fresh orange, and I'll just show you the process from there. To start with, wash your orange, dry it, and just grate it on the fine version of your grater. The original recipe calls for browning these to crisp them up, but they are definitely crispy, so I am skipping that step. I put half of the cream cheese in my bowl, just wanting to soften it up a bit. Soften the vegan cream cheese. Now I'm adding the sweetener, give that a little stir. Then I'll be adding some of the vegan yogurt. I've added some vanilla and some of the orange zest. Just mix it up really well. It smells great. Let me just get that cream cheese off of this whisk. Just make it nice and smooth. Get your oranges cut up. And now it's time to fill these up. This is supposed to be enough filling for 15 shells. I have filled this tool to put my filling in. I want it to look nice. It did not hold all of it. So let's see, will it fill 15 of these? Time to reload. Going to continue filling them. Okay, I have a little bit left, so I'll add a tiny bit to each one of these. Okay, it did fill all of them, and now you can put a fresh piece of orange on top. I think that's a little bit big. I'm going to cut them smaller. I also want you to know these shells will get a little bit soft within about 4 hours. Sometimes they're good through overnight. What I would do if I was taking these to a party, I would take the filling and fill it right before serving. You could cover these and just put them in your fridge till serving, or if you're going somewhere with them, you could just cover them and then put them on a serving plate. So here they are. They look so pretty on a nice plate. Alternative to buying pre-made shells is to simply make homemade pie crust, roll it out, cut it into small circles, and bake it until it's lightly browned. Cool it and then proceed with the recipe. Okay, now for the taste test. So nice and creamy. That orange flavor is so good, and the zest, you can taste that zest in there, and it really pumps up the taste of these. So join us next week for another one of those fabulous vegan recipes.